Hello everybody, it's Daisy Collins here with Tsunami Rose Designs, and I am back today, like I said, with an unboxing video of some succulent cuttings that I got from, let's see, here's the name right here, from South Georgia Succulents. I'm going to give you a little bit of instructions here on what to do, which is plant them in soil, dry soil, and don't water for 2 to 3 weeks. Allow to root. Okay, so I ordered 2 of her cutting boxes, so we will see what I get. I don't know exactly what's in them. It was kind of like a mystery box deal, but you know what, I think I definitely got my money's worth here. As you can see, I got a couple piles here to go through. How exciting. I'm definitely going to make some arrangements with these because that's exactly what I bought them for. And I'm like super excited. Okay, so that's everything that was in the box. And so now we're going to open it. Okay, just want my plants in the background. Okay, so the first bag here, I am just gonna rip it up like a present. That's fine. So, ooh, how exciting! Sorry, I'm outside. There's dogs and people. These are so precious. I don't know what they are. Cute. I'm gonna put them back in the box back here behind me. So if you guys are wondering where they're going, sorry, my dogs out here going crazy. So got these cute little cuttings. There's a lot of these ones. Okay. And there's these ones. I'm not sure what they are. I'm not sure how they stand. I guess they stand up. I can't tell how they go. Okay. Something. I think I've seen these. How cute. There's a lot of these ones. Yep, I see multiple. And these are a little bit the same, but kind of a different color. These are more green, these are more blue. Okay. I think I got these like little donkey tails, if that's what they are. Because that's what they look like, donkey tails, but they look really small. Look how precious that is. That's beautiful. Ugh. I love this stuff. And they're already really dried out because she sent them from Georgia to Las Vegas. So I can just plant them right away. This little bunch. It looks like the string of bananas, but it's fuzzy. Cute. And it looks like I get more of the donkey tails. Oops, I just dropped something. More of the donkey tails, it looks like. Cute. Oh, I got so many. I'm so happy about this deal. That she's on a Facebook group. I think I'll leave a link down below. It's called like Succulent Market or something. Marketplace, Succulent, something. Another one of those fuzzy string of bananas almost. I don't know what this is. It's something, I guess. Cute little fuzzy. I love this. I love these little bits. To make a teeny tiny little arrangement. These are going to be so perfect. And I feel like I got a good deal. Oh my god, this is so awesome. So, I think I'm gonna have to take a break after this package. Let's see here. That's so cute. Looks like a little bush. I'm loving this, you guys. I don't even know what this is, but it's purple. Super cute. Hey, this one's got a root. Nice. Okay. And just more of these here. So as you can see, oops, the last little bits here. of package number 1. How awesome is that? That was super cute. I really like those cuttings. So now here we're going to go to package number 2. Let's see what we get here. I have been dying for little cactus plants. You guys see this? It's little cactuses. I don't even know how to hold these. Oh my god, I've been wanting cactuses. This is the most precious thing in the world. Oh my god, look how little that is. It's so tiny. Oh my god. I don't even know what these are. These cactuses are so flat. And look, one of these little fuzzy guys. Wow. Another little fuzzy guy. I wasn't expecting cactus cuttings at all. Awesome package number 2. Love it so far. I think I just pricked myself. Okay, let's see. What is in number 3? Oh, the ogre ears. Oh, these are so cute. I got a bunch of ogre ears. Oh, so cute. And I got more ogre ears. I don't know what this is. Sorry, everything is running away from me now. And then I don't know what these are at all, but it looks, oh, looks like that's a flower. Love it. Okay. Next package. Okay. Oh, I cannot live like this. This is too beautiful of stuff. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this. So we got a couple of pretty rosettes. Oh, more cactus. Another piece of little cactus. Very, very nice cuttings. I am very happy with my purchase here. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how happy I am with this purchase. Look, they have a little one of these. I've been wanting this. Sorry if my voice got loud, but I've been wanting this. I've been wanting one of those. Oh, and then the chalk fingers. I think that's what they're called. Very nice piece right there. I don't know what this is, but I love it. What is this? It looks like a Christmas ornament. Wow. Okay. Oh, a tiny little rosette. Is that the topsy-turvy? I think it's the topsy-turvy. But they're so little. Oh, it looks like a little hen and chicks, maybe. Oh, it's so precious. I can't. Oh, I love that. Oh. This is too cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get these into pots. Oh my god, you guys. For reals though. Everything is so precious. Okay. So that was that package. And she packaged them so nice too. Thank you so much for being so careful. Okay, so I've got another package. It feels like Christmas, guys. Christmas in May. I love it. I am too happy right now. These are. Oh, I think I have a leaf of these, and it's already growing a little plant from right here, which is, I did not expect that at all to be growing from right there, but that's where it's growing from. So I got 2 of those. Beautiful. Something for height in the arrangements. Oh, and these beautiful ones. I don't know the name of that one. Got another one of that. And then something like the string of bananas. Another one. So there's a couple of pieces of this kind of plant. Ooh, look at this. This is how I'm going to get a bunch of variety in my collection without having to spend crazy amounts of money. And the fun part is I get to make them into teeny tiny little arrangements, which is what I have been enjoying lately. Oh, this one fell out. Of course, I was going to show you how cute it is. And because they don't have any roots, I haven't wet the soil. They just spilled out, of course. Okay. So back to this. Oh, I love it! Look at this. Nice big piece. Super beautiful and healthy. Except for this leaf. Oh, so precious, you guys. Look. Another piece of this plant. I have a couple pieces of it that I found at Walmart. Just like laying on the floor. And I grabbed them. This looks like a hen and chicks. And of course it has a nice root. That one's going to grow very well. This beautiful plant. Look how little. I love that they're so tiny. And more of this plant. I don't know what this plant is called. I should probably check whenever I go and get a piece from Walmart because they're labeled. Looks like the little flapjacks, but teeny tiny little flapjacks. But I don't think that's their name. It's this one actually. It's a big version of this. I don't know the name of it. Little pieces, little pieces. Okay, so that's that package. Oops, put everything back. Okay, something just fell. Something just fell and I don't know where I went. Okay, I'll look for it later. Okay, so the last package. Quickly, because my battery is running out. Check out this package. A string of bananas for sure there. Some pretty rosettes. Echeverias. Look at this. If the wind would let me show you, I could show you. This is beautiful. Look how lucky I am to get that one. Super lucky. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think I have one of these. Oh my god, I'm dying for this one. Oh my god. Just gorgeous. So that was my haul from one of the Facebook groups, cutting sample box. Thank you so much for getting that out to me from Georgia. And next video I will be planting these, so join me. Subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Yeah, boo boo. Yeah, boo boo. Look at the little fish, boo boo. Look at the little fish, boo boo. Stop. Get it up. So ferocious.